One down, 3 to go. I don't know if it's recording.
Wait, you want me in your intro?
What's up, YouTube? Logan here from J5 Studios. Today we're going to be doing some work on Nathaniel's Civic here. Turning it from a, grandma car to an actual, young adult. That's Nathaniel. Young adult car. So that's what we're working on now. Fozzie's freaking barking. JT just got here. Lugs under the freaking Civic. We're rocking and rolling today, folks. All right, Nathaniel. So show us what you got for this freaking turd.
All right. So I got me some Avid 86 rims.
Avid 86 rims right here. AV6.
Yeah.
Sorry.
With some Michelin tires.
Yeah. Okay. Got Michelin's. Yep. Got the little lip out here so you don't curb your wheels.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Got it. What we got here?
We got some BC Racing.
Oh, got some BC Racing coilovers. Look at that. Look, this is that thing you use to take doors apart. Door handles. Wow, this thing's look good. Pull that bad boy out of there. Wow. Man. And then you got a grill too, right?
Yeah. Where the heck did I go? It's in my car.
Lug's over here working. JT's right there. We already got the car jacked up. Man, I like these. These look good.
Thank you.
Yep, those look real good. 6 spokes. What else are you showing me? The grill. Okay, which is a little bit different, right?
Yeah.
I guess let's see what the other one looks like. It's got Japanese writing on it. That's how you know it's good. All right, so here's the grill on it now. Looks like a mom grill. Did you do this? Did you try to plasti dip that?
No.
That looks terrible. That looks terrible.
Hey,
So.
I brought some plastic.
Okay, well that's an easy fix. And then here's the wheels on it now. We're gonna be pulling them bad boys off, and this thing's gonna look like a totally different car when we get done with it, right? How exciting, huh? All right, let's get to freaking work, I guess. Also, it's a very important day because Poe took a trip in the Supra. Never in a million years did I think Popo would be in the Supra, but he got to ride in it today. Why don't you get under the truck, dude, so you can get some shade? All right, here we go. Time to work on a Civic. All right, hey mechanic.
What's up, dog?
What are you doing here?
First, we're gonna put this underneath the car because.
Okay.
Sorry. And then let's see what we got going on.
All right, let's take a look here. What we got?
Okay, we got. Oh, these are awful.
Oh no.
Oh, these are awful.
Oh no.
Yeah, these are real bad.
What's wrong with them? Why are they bad?
These suck. You got to take this off when the sleeve comes out.
Okay.
The bottom. Let me see one of the new coilovers, the front ones. Should have a.
Oh, dude, you got the good box fan out.
Yeah, dude. I can't feel it at all for some reason.
Man, you smell like BO.
Are the struts bad?
No, he's just complaining. Just let him complain. What? He brought it over here, and you're not even.
I forgot why this.
We'll be right back.
Yeah. So this sleeve right here, see this little part?
Yeah.
We just have to take this bolt out right here, which is kind of cool. It's easy as long as this comes out. It might be a pain in the ass. And that's really it. We got the bolts up top. We got the sway bar, which we got that here, which is nice. That's it.
All right.
Cool. Easy peasy. Pop your hood real quick.
Like a glove.
Yeah, I'm
Like a
glad that
glove.
you got that on tape. And the time lapse of me just struggling the whole time. Put this right here. This is heavy.
Trying to line it up here.
Yeah, when you push that coil over.
You're trying to line up in the holes, right?
No.
What do you need, buddy?
I gotta get this. Back in a second.
I'm getting tired.
You're getting tired.
Yeah, it's from earlier.
What's wrong?
Just a weak link. What's going on with this?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Hey, push down on this.
Push down on that?
Yeah.
I'm trying to film.
You can put your foot in there if you want. Push down on it.
More?
Damn it. Yeah. It got heavy because I did it twice already.
What do you need from me?
Get your foot out of there.
Foot's out of there. All right, we'll be back after he gets this figured out. All right, so I think we got the passenger side coil over set in place. So we got one down. Took him about a half hour to do it. Getting ready to start on the next one. Nathaniel's over here doing something to his, what are you doing?
Placing these caps.
Oh, he's getting rid of this. He's replacing this out because these are kind of dumb looking. Oh, mind your way. Did you get that one done?
I just have to tighten this little pesky ass sway bar link. Keeps spinning on me. Other than that,
One down, 3 to go.
remember, always go in a star pattern, kid.
What?
Always go in a star pattern. And it's not really necessary, but I kind of snug them all up once. And then I go back through and lug a dug them on.
Put his locker on there.
A locker?
Yeah, doesn't he have a wheel lock? Don't you
These
have
are
one?
wheel locks.
Don't you-
Look, see, they're spline driven. That the whole thing's locked. Who has one singular wheel lock?
Just out here at the old Mason garage. Poe and Fozzie, they're having a good time here. You guys having a good time?
Dude, that's like...
What we got? Is it gonna rub?
No, it ain't gonna rub. Dude, that's nice. The back tire has at least a fist gap.
The back tire has at least a fist gap.
This one's got a little
This one,
knuckle gap.
this one's real close. See that? Let's
Yeah.
get the other ones on.
No, they're called hub-centric rims. They go inside the rim. You son of a bitch.
It does look pretty good. It does look pretty dang good. Way better than stock, that's for sure. What do those do? Why do you gotta take that?
So factory cars have a hub size that goes on their hub, and they make and no matter how many times you take it to your little crackhead shop down the street, they'll never get it wheel balanced. They just pop right in here. That one bit me.
That's it, huh?
That's it. 20 minutes ago, it would have been nice to know those were over there. Nathaniel.
Get it?
Gosh.
Oh, you like it, huh?
Yeah, man.
Pretty dope, huh? Yeah. Man, the J5 Garage channel is really starting out good, huh?
Cute little fella.
Man, that is small.
I don't know if I didn't notice the other ones like that. Maybe they
Why is it so tiny?
yeah, they're all like that. Little
Wow.
fellers.
Come on, you little bitch. Dude, don't record this.
Can you try these on?
Hey, give me the other coil over to the side, will you?
Hang on, we're busy. Try those on real quick.
What?
Man, look at that. Tack it.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, go give him one of those with those on. Give him one of them coilovers.
Alright, hold on.
Hang on, we're bringing it. Make sure you get the right one. Yeah. Kidding, they're all the same. Are the back ones different?
Yeah.
All right, go give him those.
Pretty swaggy, huh?
I love these.
How's he look in those pit vipers?
Damn, boy, it looks good.
All right, so update. This looks like crap. I'm gonna fix it. We got the front two done. Looking good up here. Looking real good. Look at that. Wow. Looking good. Looking like a totally different car. Also, Nathaniel, he's been swapping these out. And they kind of been a pain in the butt. But he's getting there. Poe's getting some pets. Hey, bud. Getting a little bit of pizza here. Yep. Courtesy of Nathaniel. Thanks, Nathaniel. Thanks for getting us some food.
Yeah, no problem.
Boy's wasting no time over here. Jeez. Are you trying to take all the credit? I'm plastic dipping something. All right.
Find the bombs.
All right. We just got done eating. Lug's going back to work. We're just chilling. But we got the back coil over still to do. We still got to put your grill on too. So we'll get back over there, I guess. Still working on the back ones here. You gotta see what he's doing there. See that? Oh, that's a good angle right there.
Probably see better than I can.
Too bad. Oh man, he's dropping stuff. We're getting there. It's just he's just taking his good old time, I guess.
I am. It's settling. Put your fist in there, dude. Would it drop in an inch?
Yeah.
That'll probably look pretty good still. You could always lower them. It matches the front.
One left, huh?
Yeah, it should go a little faster, dude.
I hope so. That was like 2 hours.
Oh. Force.
All right, here we go. We got the new wheels here. He's backing her up. Looking pretty slick.
I don't hear any CV shafts behind it.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Yeah, dude, that looks good, dude.
Wow, look at that.
Go back a little farther.
Keep going back.
Pause it. Hey, stay away from that car. Keep going. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. A little more, a little more. Right there. That's where it was, kind of.
You want to get out and look at it, dude, or what?
Yeah,
Looks pretty slick. Looks pretty slick. What you doing, Poe? Hey, come over here, buddy. Get over here. There we go. Looking good. Let's get a close up. Let's get a close up here. Looking freaking cool. What do you think? What do you think, Nathaniel? You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Loves it. Tackett, what do you think?
Love it.
All right, cool. All right. That's going to do it for today. Worked on the freaking Civic. Got some new wheels, tires, coilovers, a little bit of plasti dip work. Basic early car mods, but you know, we got it done, got it all complete. Nathaniel's happy, he loves it. Hope you guys learned something from this video and you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Till next time.